We've been working with a group of students trying to explore what this ancient Greek play could mean to them. And the story of Iphigenia was not known to them. It gave us a lot of really clear, natural reactions to how good this story is and how good the potential of the project is. And then we're able to pursue a really strong creative process with them.
Half of it is sung. Helen Chadwick, our composer, sat down. These were the words. She came up with a tune, we learnt it, we delivered it.
So working with the students has been quite amazing because they have been so focused and so wanting to follow a different way, a different mode of working. It's been really wonderful to see the way that they've grabbed a hold of it, and I've absolutely loved how they've supported each other.
Oh, it's made me realise how important it is to communicate with my body, not just my voice and my facial expression.
Physicality is really important in an actor, and it can create an atmosphere and tell a story. It is really beneficial, obviously, to educate myself because they've all done really interesting large things in the industry. So it is really cool to be working amongst them and getting knowledge directly from people like that.
Rather than doing choreography, we've been working through movement to try and find out how they move and how they would respond to the situations in the play. The students are great, they are so lively, they add their personality to the storyline, and as our story is about a young woman, then what better place to be than amongst a group of young people who are the same age, so have a very strong idea of what needs to be said. It's more their words than mine.
So this is a project that is set up by Sizewell C. They wanted to come and work with a college to create a new piece of theatre based around a Greek play. We have quite a nice connection with Sizewell C, and it kind of was collaborated from there. It's been a really lovely experience to see the students invested and engaged in a different way of working. So to have new people come in who are so experienced that these guys are, and so kind of renowned in the business, I think gives them a different perspective. So it's valuable, really valuable for them.
So we were actually surprised how ready they were to work and how disciplined. Some of them know what they want more than others, but it doesn't matter. They're clearly working here in a very good environment.
The experience of working here at Suffolk New College has been fantastic. I think I've just seen the beginning of a potentially much longer engagement working with young people in Suffolk.